Hi friends! Today I have a shocking story for you. Imagine a place where you could commit any crime, even murder, and get away with it. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's not. It's called the Zone of Death, and it's located in Yellowstone National Park. The Zone of Death is a 50-square-mile area in the Idaho section of Yellowstone National Park, where a legal loophole could make it impossible to prosecute anyone for a crime. How is that possible? Well, it has to do with the Sixth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which guarantees the right to a jury trial for criminal defendants. The amendment states that the jury must be composed of people from the state and district where the crime was committed. But here's the catch. The entire Yellowstone National Park falls under the Federal Judicial District of Wyoming, even though parts of it are in Idaho and Montana. And the federal government has exclusive jurisdiction over the park, so state laws don't apply there. So if someone commits a crime in the Idaho portion of the park, they would have to be tried by a jury of people who live in both Idaho and the District of Wyoming. But no one lives there because it's an uninhabited wilderness. So technically, there's no way to form a constitutional jury for that area. This loophole was discovered by a law professor named Brian Colt in 2005, who wrote an essay about it called The Perfect Crime. He hoped that by exposing this flaw in the law, he would persuade Congress to fix it. But so far, nothing has been done to close the loophole. Colt also feared that his essay might inspire some criminals to take advantage of the Zone of Death and commit heinous acts there. But is the Zone of Death a lawless land where anything goes? Not exactly. There are still some legal obstacles that could prevent someone from getting away with murder there. For example, prosecutors could try to move the trial to another location, or argue that the vichinage clause of the Sixth Amendment is not binding. Or they could charge the defendant with other crimes that don't require a jury trial, such as contempt of court or obstruction of justice. And of course, there's still the moral and ethical issue of committing a crime in the first place. So far, no one has ever tested the Zone of Death loophole in court. The only known case of a crime committed in that area was a poaching incident in 2005, but the defendant pleaded guilty before going to trial. But who knows what might happen in the future? Could someone try to pull off the perfect crime in the Zone of Death? Or will Congress finally fix this legal anomaly and restore justice to this part of Yellowstone? That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this one. And don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.